Hello everybody, and how are we all today? It is a gorgeous Friday afternoon here in the UK, and I'm very excited. You can see I've got my lucky shirt on today because we've got a new kit to share with you. Isn't that amazing? And I've been super excited to share this one with you. I love the colors, I love everything about it, so I'm not going to talk too much other to say a very warm welcome if this is your first time to my channel, and of course a big hug and lots of love to all of you that are here for me week in and week out. I appreciate you beyond measure. Alright, so this is the little pouch I usually present my printed kits in, and I'm doing a printed kit. I'll get into the details of that as we go along, but I'm going to share with you the pages and then talk it through as I'm going along. Okay, so my new kit's called Secret Garden, and it's not based on the book The Secret Garden. It's sort of my idea of a secret garden, although I love the Frances Hodgson book, I really do. But yeah, I thought that I would share with you my version of a secret garden, and because I know we all love gardening, we all love florals, and yeah, I just wanted to put that together in a kit format, so I hope you're going to enjoy it. Now, the first thing I have to share is the journal pages. There is a full collection. It's also going to involve bundles, which I will share with you next week, Tuesday. I have it all together, but of course I've got a video on Sunday to do for Rach and Bella's collaboration. If you haven't seen that, she's doing How Boho Can You Go, and I have a link in my Facebook group, and of course Rach and Bella Crafts has got a YouTube channel and a playlist, and you can see all the different people taking part, and it's a fantastic lineup of wonderful people, and you can follow along and get involved too. All right, so enough about that. Let's look at this. So Secret Garden, this is the journal pages. The journal page kit is made up of 20 different pages. I've got 12 designer pages. Or 11, sorry. I've got 3 background pages I've put in here. I've got the mini pages. Yeah, it's quite a lot. It comes up to 20, so you'll see. So this is the first page, and it's very whimsical in a way because it's very dreamy. So we've got this beautiful bench, we've got lovely gates, all old and lovely flowers and colors in here. We're looking at lilacs, purples, lemons, the softest lemons, pinks and greens, of course. So that's sort of where I've gone with that. So that's the first page. We've got this beautiful page, so I'm not going to dwell on it too long. I've got all listed in my shop and on Etsy. I've got really good photos for you to have a look, and of course at the end I'll put up some as well. So I had to have a bunny, just can't help myself. Yeah, so those are weeping willows, just beautiful, different lakes in this beautiful secret garden that we've created. I just love this angel statue, gates all over. So this is a huge garden. You know, in the UK they've got beautiful estates for these old gardens, and this is just one of my ideas of the different aspects of it and how you could just sit there and get lost in the beauty of nature and all the good things that nature does for us. So we've got just everything going on here. Right, I've got these pages as well. Lovely birds' nests there. Just lots of nature, birds, different angel statues, waterfalls, lily ponds. Just, it's got it all going on here. Piece of plastic. Some more little bunnies, because why not? Added in some mushrooms and bicycles. I do love bicycles too. Then I put together this page, which I thought would be, it's the first time I've done a lined page, but I thought it would be great to have a couple of these in our signatures, because you can write a lot on it, and so I just love that, and you could add that into each, and I will do that. So it's just a great page to have. So that's the initial designer pages. Then I've got these beautiful background pages which work perfectly with this kit. So this has got a very soft sage green background with these beautiful climbing roses. And then I've got a sort of a neutral tone for this one with bigger roses. Oh, I'm missing a page. It's a little somewhere. All right, so here are the mini pages. And you get 6 of those. They are the smaller versions, 2 to a page of what we've got already. And I will, I've got this as a double page in the mini pages. If you wanted to make a small journal, especially those ones that fit in the lovely pouches kit that I shared with you. All right, so these pages would work brilliantly in that sort of format as a gift as well. But obviously you can craft with them, which I do as well. Okay, so that's that. That's 20 pages. Okay, I have missed a page. I think I have missed a page in my background pages, but it'll surface somewhere. There are 3 background pages. Okay, so over here, I've got my add-on kit. This is 11 pages. It's usually 10, but I always find extra things I want to put in. So we've got these gorgeous tags, and I love these. They are my favorite tags I've ever done. I really love these, and I do like large tags, so I've put 2 pages of those together for you. I've then also put together 6 smaller tags, because you know we can never just have enough tags. I always want loads of them. Then I've done 2 larger envelopes with the background pages, you can see. These background pages are not part of this kit. I'll talk you through that, but you can see how beautifully they work. I've matched them to go with the colors here. So we've got those. Then we've got a page of mini envelopes. Our journal cards, which I love. We've got pockets. So we've got these pockets. That's part of the background page I was looking for earlier with a lovely pink undertone. So this is a pockets page. We've got some library pockets here as well. We've got the lovely circles, which I like to use in different ways on pockets or just separately, altered paper clips, all that sort of thing. So there. Then I've got a page of the tabs, which are always useful. All right, so that's what I've got there. So that's 11 pages for the add-on kit for the Secret Garden. Now I always like an ephemera kit. This one's also an extra page because I found some gorgeous extras to put in here, which actually could work with this journal or many other journals. But like lots of the things that I do, I do have a sort of set style, so things can be used, you know, in between different sort of kits as well. All right, so this is the first page of the ephemera and sentiments kit for the Secret Garden. So that's this gorgeous altered postcards. I've got some new Catherine Klein postcards as well, and I've altered quite a few. Then we've got some more, some new, some others. I've added lots of little extras here, and all of these are made to go with the kit. So we've got these, and I love those. We've got the little girl sitting on the bench. I like that little fairy there talking to the frog. I had a bit of fun with that. So I've made quite a few of these. I always love doing that. Okay, these are the extras that I thought could go with any botanical journal or floral journal. These are beautiful antique handwritten book pages that I've made into cards. So these are beautiful, and they name them so you can see exactly what type of flowers they are. All right, beautiful. I've added 2 strips of faux washi tape here as well. And then here's another thing that I thought would go with anything besides the little extras there. These beautiful antique illustrations of blush roses, fuchsias, lilies, daisies, etc. So, and they go perfectly with this journal. Okay, of course, life wouldn't be complete if we didn't have our gorgeous sentiments. I've based these all around very famous artists or, you know, authors or various famous people, along with other things, of course, like Claude Monet, My Garden is My Most Beautiful Masterpiece, things like that, which just go with gardens or nature or uplifting along those themes. So I've got 2 of those, and then I always like them in a small format because you just never know what you need what for. So then I just have a smaller version of that. All right, so that's the Ephemera Kit. So that's 11 pages. Right, here's the background kit now that I've put together just for background pages. I'm going to use this because it's designed to go with the somebody said Spring Splendor, the Secret Garden kit. I've matched these pages and added new ones. So I have put together a selection of colored dandelion seed pages. So that's what this is. These colors all go. So you've got this beautiful blush color, you've got this lovely green, you've got the lemon, the soft lemon, and you've got the lovely mauve lavender shade. All right, so those are the 4 colors that sort of go with this kit. Then I've matched up my ginghams in the same 4 colors. All right, so those are the 4 colors that I will be using. So they go with that as well. And then of course I've done the same with the polka dot. I've matched these so they all go. So that's what you got there. And then what I did was I have done the same with the lace. So the lace is also matching. So these colors this set I will use. And there's a green one as well. Okay, so that's 16 pages in a digital. Of course, with this, I'll have a printed kit where you get 32, so 2 of each of these single-sided printed. The details are all in the listing, of course, so I don't want to bore you with all of that. Please have a good read there so you know what you get. You get this in a digital or in a printed kit. So digital, 1 of each obviously, and a printed kit, 2 of each. So it's 32 pages. All right, and that you can use in different ways, whether it's in this journal or any other. I find that people like a lot of background pages, and I can't fit 16 pages into the journal kit, so that's what it is. Okay, so you've got the journal printed kit, of course, and digital. I've shown you the digitals. The printed kit will have 12 of the journal pages. I'm going to do 2 of the lined pages. Those will be double-sided printed with background selection of pages from this and the ones that we have in the kit, the 3. So you will have plenty there. And I will print those 12, so it'll be double-sided. Okay, then you'll get another full set of the journal pages. You'll get 3 extra of the Climbing Roses background pages. And then you'll get your full Addon Kit, the full Ephemera and Sentiments kit, as well as the mini pages. So it comes up to 57 pages. And 69 if you count the 12 of them are printed on 2 sides. So it's a really good value. I use that really good quality HP Color Fast 160 GSM paper. It feels like silk. It honestly does. Those of you that have had it to me, it's the first thing you say. All right, so thank you for that. So there you got the printed kits in both options, because I know lots of people don't have access to printers or aren't able to print it borderless or double-sided or whatever. All right, so that's that. And of course you have them all available as digitals as well. All right, so that is my little story for today. Loads of pages here. Isn't that amazing? All right, go and check that out. I will have it listed as we speak. So I have put in all the work to put it onto both Etsy and my website. And so it's all there for you should be interested. The details and the links are all in the description box below this video. So I'd love to know what you think about the new kit. So leave a comment below for me to have a look at. Have a great weekend, everybody. Please don't forget to follow along with Rachel's collaboration. I will be putting out my contribution to that on Sunday. And boy, it took me right out of my comfort zone. But I'm thrilled with what I've managed to get together there. So I'll have a lovely project for you on Sunday. But please go and support everybody. I'm sure that you are going to thoroughly enjoy looking at something a little bit different. All right, Tuesday this week, I will bring you all the bundles that are going to go with this. All right, and once the stock is depleted, that will be it, guys. I have put together everything that I could So yes, that will be available, the video, for you to have a look at on Tuesday. All right, so I'm going to love and leave you. Thank you for spending time with me as always. Have a great weekend. It's going to be a good one. The weather's fantastic. Sending you a big hug and lots of love and thanks. Bye-bye.